Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on Black River. Now, as you know, Hurricane Melissa passed through Jamaica in late October, devastating Black River. Some say destroying it. And the Prime Minister recently announced that Black River will rise again. He has committed to rebuilding Black River. Now, Black River is a small town. It's actually the capital of St. Elizabeth. But luckily for St. Elizabeth, they have two other major towns. So now that Black River is, let's just say, out of commission because it suffered a lot of damage. The other towns in the parish have become the center, and so things are progressing, or things are still progressing in the parish, even though the parish lost its capital. But Black River is an old town built hundreds of years ago, and it was built on the coast. And when the hurricane came ashore, and this was a devastating hurricane, it destroyed a lot of buildings because those buildings weren't built out of steel. They were built hundreds of years ago and suffered severe damage. So it's good news that the Prime Minister announced that Black River will rise again. I mean, there was a lot of discussion about whether Black River should be built back at that same spot, literally on the coast. So we're going to give you an update on what the Prime Minister said. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness has given a strong message of hope, recovery and renewal to residents of Black River, declaring that the town will emerge stronger following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. I give you my commitment that I will work tirelessly on your behalf, that we will work cooperatively, that we will work transparently, fairly, and honestly for you. I give you my commitment that Black River will rise again, he said. The Prime Minister was addressing the inaugural fireworks festival hosted by the Urban Development Corporation to ring in the new year at the Black River Courthouse in St. Elizabeth. He assured the hundreds of citizens who turned out for the celebration that government stands firmly with you. He noted that the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa on the historic town has provided a pivotal opportunity for transformation and long-term development. The hurricane was a disaster. It created a crisis, but every crisis creates an opportunity, and this is an opportunity to rebuild Black River. Not the way it was, but to rebuild Black River for the future, to be able to provide you with a better opportunity for prosperity and success in your life, to be able to withstand the storms of the future, which will no doubt come again, Dr. Holness pointed out. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.